Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tamar and we love everything fashion, beauty, just everything girly around here. And today on Style Diaries, we are going to be styling this shirt 3 different ways. So if you're interested in seeing how I get this done, please keep watching. Serious about us. So this shirt is probably something that you have in your closet already, but if you are interested in this top or anything that I'm featuring, just check out the links down below in the comment section. I went for a very classic black and white, but wanted to make it fun and a little bit more interesting to look at. So we added texture and different fabrics. We have the top tucked into these leather shorts that I got from Anthropologie, and to make it a little bit more fun, we added these polka dot tights that are from Sheer Tex. I'm wearing a size 3X and a size 20 in the shorts. Added my Gucci belt for a little pop of color and contrast, and added my Gucci bag here for some symmetry. Then we added this little hat. This is definitely giving Gossip Girl. It's so cute. I belong on the steps of the Met. This is such a cute look, perfect for the fall winter season. If you had a pea coat or a long trench, this would look great, or the addition of a bright red lip would look so good. And for shoes, we had these patent leather Mary Janes. These are from Steve Madden, but I got them for like $25 from Nordstrom Rack. So definitely check out Nordstrom Rack if you want to get some of your favorite brands at really great prices. This look is a little bit more for the office or just something more chic. Let's do something a little bit more casual, but still adds a punch. All right, for the second look, it's casual but very chic. This would be perfect for the office. If you guys remember, this is a recent Amazon find, these wide leg dark wash jeans with this inseam in the middle that makes me look like I'm 8 feet tall. I love them. I'm 5'4" for reference though. I'm a shorty, but my personality is really tall. It's like 5'8" at least. I paired it with this bag that is from Anthropologie. So cute. I also have it in brown. A pop of red never hurt nobody. And this blazer from Eloquii is so chic. I love the gold detail of the button, and they also have a matching skirt if you want to grab that. I love a power suit. She's not bossy. She's the boss. It's giving chic. She's running stuff. She has lots of things on her calendar, but I love this look so much. On to the next. So this is the very last look. It's kind of similar to that first look because of the black and white, but we have a lot of embellishments. This is very much a maximalist outfit, and I love that. So pearls is the motif that we're just using throughout the look. So same shirt with this dress that I got from Walmart. This is such a great find. It actually comes in a cream color as well. I'm wearing an XL. This has lots of stretch, so just keep that in mind if it's still in stock. I paired it also with my Dolce Vita boots. These are the extra wide calf. I have a size 18-inch circumference for my calf size. Last year, I was probably like a 19-20 inch, and I still was able to fit into most extra wide calf sizes. And maybe if you're interested, let me know in the comment section if you want to see a video of my favorite extra wide calf boots. For accessories, we're continuing with that pearl theme. This embellished bag, it's old, I'm sorry, from Anthropologie, and a pearl embellished headband. And it's just a super cute way to bring some life to black and white because it's not boring. It's interesting to look at. This would be perfect for the office, for church, worship. It's just such a fun, chic, fashionable, stylish outfit. If you're interested in any of these looks, I have everything linked or similar items in my LTK. Down below, you can also find some links. And thank you so much for watching this video. And make sure you join the Musings of a Curvy Lady family by liking and subscribing to this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Is a word to you when you don't show on time, when you go out.